Now see the second type of question. Okay, depend on the some specific angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now type of questions are here. I have taken 3 questions here. Okay, now take one by one. First, evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Okay, so simply you put the value from the trigonometry table. Sin 60 you know, root 3 by 2, then cos 30, again cos 30 you know, root 3 by 2, and these are the complement angles. 60 and 30 have the same value. Okay, because both are complement angles. So remember it, sin 60 equal to cos 30 because both are complement. 60 plus 30, 90. Same thing here, sin 30 you know 1 by 2, so cos 60 also 1 by 2. Right, no need to see the table. If sin 30 is 1 by 2, definitely cos 60 is also 1 by 2 because the angles are complement. Right, you know sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Okay, that's right. So simplify it here, becomes 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 by taking the LCM, or simply quarter plus 1/3 is 4 by 4 and answer is 1. Okay, so simple. Now see the second one, just note down it. Now see the second. 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Okay, just rub it. Yes, sin square 60. Tan 45 means 1. From there, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 whole square, so put the square, and sin 60 also, as I told you, root 3 by 2, same value. Right, beta? So we are getting here 2 plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4. So answer is what? 2. That's all. Yes. So now see the third one. Simply you put the values. ओके, और बड़ा अगर आप टेबल याद कर लेंगे तो आपका टाइम बचेगा इसमें. ठीक है ना, बार बार आपको टेबल देख के वैल्यू पुट करने के लिए इजी रहेगा, आपको देखना नहीं पड़ेगा. cos 60 1 by 2. ओके, sec opposite of the cos 30, so 2 by root 3 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square, and tan 45 you know 1. Now again you know sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Definitely you know. So sir, answer denominator becomes 1. But okay, you can put the value, no problem. Sin 30 you know 1 by 2. Right? Cos 30 root 3 by 2. Isn't it? This is your first step. Just substitute the values of the required angles by looking at the trigonometry table. Okay, or you can learn that. Now see, 5 upon 4 plus 16 upon 3 minus 1, and this is 1 by 4 and this 3 by 4. Right? This becomes 1. Now in numerator here take the LCM. 4 3 are 12. Okay, so 5 3 are 15 minus 64. Okay, plus 64 and minus 12. Right? Just add them. 64 plus 15, 79 minus 12 upon 12. So 67 upon 12. So this second part is now over. In this way you can find the values of the trigonometry angles. Okay. Okay, beta. Now see once again. Cos 60 1 by 2 by looking at the table. Okay. और आप जितने क्वेश्चन सोल्व करेंगे बेटा टेबल आपको अपने आप याद हो जाएगी. ठीक, ऐसे नहीं घर बैठ के आप टेबल याद करने बैठे, लर्न करने बैठे. जितने नंबर ऑफ क्वेश्चन सोल्व करेंगे आप, मैक्सिमम क्वेश्चन सोल्व करेंगे तो आपको फ्रीक्वेंसी के अंदर टेबल याद हो जाएगी. जैसे सिंपल से 1030 सबसे आसान होती है, 1045 1, क्या लिखे 1045 1, ओके 1030 1 बाय रूट 3, आपको अभी वीडियो देखते देखते याद हो जाएगा ये, ठीक है 1030 1 बाय रूट 3, 1045 1 एंड 1060 रूट 3। अगर आप डेली भी अगर एक टेबल याद करेंगे तो आपको 2 दिन के अंदर याद हो जाएगी, और डिपेंड करेगा आप कितने क्वेश्चन सोल्व कर सकते हैं, ठीक है, कम से कम आप 10 20 30 40 क्वेश्चन सोल्व करिए आप, ओके, और 7 डेज तक लगातार ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आपको सोल्व करनी है, तो आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बहुत इंटरेस्ट आएगा, ठीक है, कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं आएगी। आप कुछ क्वेश्चन में डाउट आ रहा तो कमेंट बॉक्स में आप लिख सकते हो, मुझे सेंड भी कर सकते हो, क्लियर, आई विल हेल्प यू। सो ओके बेटा, नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल PQR where PR plus QR is given here 25, PQ is 5 centimeter, okay, then find the value of sin P, cos P and tan P, clear? So first you find out here PR plus PQ, PR plus QR, this is what QR is 25, so simply we let here X and Y, QRX and PRY. So PR here Y, QR is given here X equals 25. Okay, now apply the Pythagoras theorem. Then apply the Pythagoras theorem. So y square equals to x square plus 5 square. It means y square equal to x square plus 25. Okay, now what is y? X we can find here 25 minus y. Here by transposing, let's substitute the value of x here, y square 25 minus y whole square plus 25. Okay, by applying the Pythagoras theorem, and then second put the value of x in term of y, so we can solve for the y, clear? Trigonometry later on, first is go through the algebra, right, and no need to worry about trigonometry. Okay, trigonometry is simple, just apply the formula and we will get the answer. Before that, use simple concept of mathematics here. We are applying here Pythagoras theorem. Then what is here? Algebra, a minus b whole square. Okay, so 25 6 to 5, a square minus 2ab means 50, 25 is 50, y plus y square plus 25. Okay, y square is gone, so 50y equal to 650, y equals to 650 upon 50 means we are getting here 30, so y is 30, okay, centimeter, so we can say 30 centimeter. Now what is x? 12, x we get here 12 centimeter, right? 13 minus 25 minus 13 we get 12 here, okay, or you can write here x equals to 25 minus 13, so this is what 12 centimeter, okay, yes. Then sin P, sin P is, you know, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, you can write here P BP, okay, upon HH, P for the beginning, P upon H, so 12 upon 30, your answer. Base upon hypotenuse, base means you can say PQ upon PR means 5 upon 13, and 10P, P upon B, so QR upon PQ means you are getting here 12 upon 5. So in this way we can get the ratio of the sine, cos and tan, okay.